One day, in the middle of a burning desert, a man was dying of thirst. He saw a small bird flying above him, carrying drops of water in its tiny beak, throwing them toward the dry sand. The man smiled weakly and said, "Oh, little bird, what are you doing?" "You can't stop the fire of this desert," the bird replied. "I know I can't. But when my Lord asks me what I did when the world was burning, I'll say I tried." The man's eyes filled with tears. He looked toward the sky and whispered, "Ya Allah, even a bird doesn't give up hope in you." And in that moment, clouds guttered and rain poured down, saving the man's life. Because Allah never forgets even the smallest good deed done with sincerity.